Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about finding the number of unique permutations of the letters of the word success and intelligent. Okay, unique permutations means distinguishable permutations because not all the letters of these words are distinct. As you can see, success, we have same letters, S and letter C. For item number 2, we have same letters also, like I, N, T, E, and L. So now, let us find the unique permutations of item number 1, the word success. So as you can see, we can count the number of letters of the word success. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 letters. So P is equal to 7 factorial. Okay? 7 factorial, and then divide it to factorials of the same letters. So we have 3 letter S and then 2 letter C. So we have to divide 7 factorial by 3 factorial and then 2 factorial. Okay? So now, 7 factorial, that is equivalent to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? Or the product of all numbers from 7 down to 1. And then divided by 3 factorial, that is 3 times 2 times 1. And then 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Okay? You can multiply 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or you can simplify it by dividing the numerator to denominator. Let's say 2 times 1, so we can cancel 2 times 1, this one. Okay? And the next, we can cancel 3 and 3. And 4 over 2, that is 4 divided by 2, it will become 1, and then it will become 2. And therefore, the remaining numbers in the numerator are 7 times 6 times 5 times 2. And then all the denominator is equal to 1. Okay? Now, multiply 7, 6, 5, and 2. So 2 times 5, 10. Times 6, 30. Times 7, that is equal to 420. Therefore, the unique permutations of the letters of the word success is 420. Okay? Now, let us have item number 2. Count the letters of the word intelligent. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 letters. So N is equal to 11. And so we have identical letters like I. So we have 2 letter I's, and then N. We have 2 letter N's. T also have 2 letter T. E, we have 2 also. And then letter L, we have 2. So therefore, permutation of intelligent, that is equal to 11 factorial divided by the identical letters. So I, we have 2 factorial. N, 2 factorial. T, 2 factorial. E, 2 factorial. And L, 2 factorial. So again, 11 factorial, that is equivalent to all numbers from 11, the product of all numbers from 11 down to 1. So 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Divided by 2 factorial. So 2 factorial is equivalent to 2 times 1. So 2 factorial is equivalent to 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Therefore, 2 factorial is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we have 5 2 factorials. Okay po. The next, 11 factorial, 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is equal to 39,916,800. And that numbers must be divided by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or 5 twos, or 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. Okay? Now, 39,916,800 divided by 32, that is equal to 1,247,400. So again, the unique permutations of the letters of the word intelligent is equal to 1,247,400. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned from this video. And if you learned, please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa bagong video.